Hello everyone, myself Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today I am going to deliver the lecture video for computer-aided machine drawing subject. So in this particular subject, we have seen in our previous lecture series, we have seen some other basic topics of the introduction of computer-aided machine drawing. Now the thing it will be continue in this video also. So in this previous introduction stage, what are all the important instruments we are used in computer and machine drawing, and what are the important notations we are using? Those are the things we are discussing in this previous lecture series. In today's lecture series, we are going to see this. So what are the abbreviations we are using? So particularly in drawing, there are a lot of abbreviations in the drawing, in the dimension board, and in the drawing board we are using so many of abbreviation. In the title block, we are writing the registration number, the particular student's registration number, name, date, and those are all the things it will be in the title block. So, and also moreover the scale factor value, and what are the what are the symbolic representation of the particular drawing, whether it will be first angle projection or third angle of projection. Those are the things we just want to point out in the title block. So the title block is a medium of representation of the particular diagram. So not only the title block and each and apart from the title block also, in the particular drawing, in detailed view of the drawings, we are using these abbreviations in between we are using. Okay. Here the lot of terms we are technical term, based on the technical term, the abbreviation it will be represented over here in this slide. We will see one by one. Across corners it will be abbreviation is AC. Across flats and approved, approximate, assembly, auxiliary, and bearing, BRG, centimeter CM, center CRS. So and center line is a CL, center to center C by L, and chamfered CHMED, checked CHD, and cheese. The checked it will the particular checked in this particular term it will be using in the title block. Whether the verified, checked, and approved, these are the things it will be in the title block abbreviations. Okay, APPD means approved, CHD means checked. Okay. So likewise, circular pitch, circumference, and manufacture, material, maximum, meter, mechanical, and millimeter, minimum, nominal, not to scale, number, and the opposite, outside diameter, pitch circle diameter, and the quantity, radius. Okay, the continued, counter bore, and the counter shank, cylinder, diameter, diametral pitch, dimension, drawing, equispaced, external, figure, general, ground level, ground, hexagonal, inspection, inside diameter, internal, left hand, machine, radius in note, reference, required, right hand. So right hand, round, screw, serial number, specification, sphere, spherical, spot face, square, symmetrical, thick, thread, through, tolerance, typical, undercut, and weight. These are the things it will be used. Okay. So likewise, based upon the material also abbreviation it will be there. We already seen that. Aluminium means AL. Likewise, brass, bronze, cast iron, cast steel. Because in the diagram it's a representation of the product. We already told that. But in this particular product, in which material they are manufactured. So that is a very important information. So based upon the material selection, then only the remaining process it will be carried out. Manufacturing, production, whatever the process, based upon the material selection is one of the very important factor in the production. Okay. So here, so based upon the material selection also we can represent over in the drawing sheet. Okay. So that's why each and every material it will be a symbolic representation. It will be carried out in the diagram sheet. Okay. So cast steel, chromium steel, copper, forged steel, galvanized iron, gray iron, gunmetal, high carbon steel, high speed steel, high tensile steel, low carbon steel, mild steel, MS. Okay. And nickel steel, and fuelite malleable iron, phosphor, bronze, sheet steel, spring steel, structure steel, tungsten carbide steel, rough iron, white metal. So these are all the things we are using in the abbreviation part. Okay, so these are all the reference books we are using, Dr. V. Gopalakrishnan machine drawing books, and also the Google images. Okay, so here the continuation of the previous lecture series. So in the abbreviation part, here the illustration of the symbol, how the symbol it will be illustrated with the symbolic representation. It will be seen in this PPT presentation slide. So here the designation, the butt weld between the plates with raised edges, the raised edges being melted down completely. The illustration of the diagram is like this only, and the symbolic representation, it will be, we are using this symbol, which particular symbol it will be represented represented by the butt welded between the plates with raised edges. Okay, it will be represented, and square butt weld it will be represented over here two parallel lines. This is a symbolic representation. So likewise the abbreviation part, here also symbolic representation part is also very important in the diagram representation. Okay, so here the single belt drive, likewise single V belt, single bevel butt weld, single V butt weld, broad root face, single bevel butt with broad root face, single U butt weld parallel and sloping side, single U butt weld and backing run, back or backing weld, backing run back or backing weld, fillet weld, plug or slot weld, spot weld, spam weld. So here these are the different illustration and symbolic representation over here. Designation of the welding plates, and it will be carried out by using a reference of V. Gopalakrishnan. Okay, so thanks for giving the opportunity to represent my subject over here in the through the lecture series. Thank you. We will see in the next lecture series in the some other topic. Okay, thank you.